We do not believe that putting our children's education on hold for a year is acceptable. Parents and learners need to see leadership that inspires confidence and the message that the government knows what it is doing. A leadership that consults widely. This is not the case. We need a full disclosure, transparency and accountability for all the COVID-19 funds, resources and equipment from all sources, including loans, grants, donations, in kind, and support, both locally and internationally. We demand the government publishes and makes accessible the roster of beneficiaries of the government COVID-19 relief funds and PPEs to date. The only thing that seems to be functioning in this government is misprocurement, not procurement, misprocurement, taxation, they never fail in that one, and political patronage. Surely we deserve better. There are innovative ways of ensuring, for instance, that those who are due to do exams do them. I don't want to go on the failed laptop project, because had it succeeded, then e-learning would have been easy. Because nothing seems to succeed in this government except misprocurement, as we have said, patronage and corruption, state-led corruption.